I'm out here refreshing all of our flower pots. I'm loving the combination of these tiny 1 inchers with these larger 2 inch flowers. All artificial, all this combination of the silk with the plastic leaves. The main difference are these are the tiny 1 inch. They just give a little bit more variety and interest by changing the texture. They have a little bit more color variegation in them. And then these larger, more pansy style just add that bigger, bolder pop of color at the top. So I figure it just feels more natural and realistic to me. I've bent these over so the little guys drape all the way over the side, filling in the sides so beautifully. And then I've let the larger ones grow up taller. So the combination to me just looks like a much more realistic mix of how flowers would actually grow. Loving the brilliant colors, loving how they blow in the breeze when it is sunny. These look so great from the street. There is a little bit of distance there, but we actually get lots of compliments on our flowers. So been very happy with these. UV resistant. There are plenty to fill in. This is a 14-inch pot, and I was also able to fill in this 14-inch pot as well using the combination of the two sets. And I'm just so happy with them. They make me smile every time I pass by our windows in the morning. So if you're on the fence with these, I've been really happy with the impact and couldn't be more pleased. Hope this helps.